What's going on, you guys? It is me, CGVRP, back on your screen, bringing you a brand new video here in Greenville, Wisconsin. If you guys are new here, make sure to smash the subscribe button down below to join me and CGVRP and the actual 6-7 today. And today we are going to be going on a highway road trip. I am so excited, you guys, to Brookmeire. I am so excited. Let's go ahead and ask my son if he's ready. Good morning, son. Are you excited to go on a highway road trip? Good morning, son. Are you excited to go on a highway road trip? See what he says. Okay, go wait in the car. Good morning, son. Are you excited to go on a highway road trip? Yes. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and get on the road here. I am so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let's go on a road trip, guys. We don't have time to get some road trip snacks, so we already got some in the car. Okay, we are going to be headed out right now to the highway. So excited. We'll be traveling and traveling. Okay. Man, why does it have to snow on our first highway road trip? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Well, hopefully we can just get there safely, bro. Alrighty. So excited to head to Brookmeire. It's gonna be a long trip. It's gonna be like 3 hours of a ride, guys. So you guys can play some music while we're headed out, guys. So, yeah. Okay, we're getting on the highway. right now. We are on the road right now to Brookmeire. Yeah, on the highway, I mean. Highway continues for like an hour, then we get out of the highway, which is pretty cool. Why am I going so fast? Why are they trying to increase speed for? Just didn't have to use the bathroom. Okay. Just wondering. Tesla has no brakes. Bro, this is out of control. Bruh. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. No, come on, Tesla, come on. You can do it, come on. Bro. Okay, then I'll just drive myself because this cruise control thing is not... Bruh. I don't have it on cruise control anymore. What's it doing? This Tesla's broken, I swear it is. Alright, guys. Alright. Get stuff. Helps. Hey, where's the door, guys? Where's the front door? Oh, it's this way. My bad. Alright, okay. What you guys think of our rental modern home? What do you guys think? 10. Okay. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get going over here. Ooh, this is a nice relaxing living room, bro. Okay. Ready to end video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everybody.